Hey, thanks for giving me a few minutes of your time. We're going to talk about this pretty big crypto news story event situation that's taking place real quickly in this video. It is all coming true. And this is something that I've been talking about in various forms in almost all my videos for almost the last 3, 4+ weeks. Okay. And I've mentioned it in other videos as well. So here's what I want to share with you. If you kind of look at the flow of capital, money moving in to crypto, how it moves, and where it goes. There's a narrative here, okay, and there's a theme. And number one, crypto slash Bitcoin moves in a 4-year cycle, okay, and so to point that out, you've heard me talk about in videos the fact that we will see Bitcoin hit probably north of 200,000 plus by October of 2025. And that is the 4-year peak cycle. Okay. That's good news, right? That means that from here until October, we've got a massive, unprecedented bull run in front of us. And it's not just specific to Bitcoin, it's specific to all crypto. All crypto will rise along with that. Okay. But more into that, you also have the flow of capital, how money moves into crypto. When I'm talking about money moving in, I'm talking about institutional investments, commercial investment, retail investors, individuals putting their money in. Obviously, we have Bitcoin ETFs now and all that kind of stuff. And so the way that money flows is it goes into Bitcoin first, i.e. Bitcoin pumps. We've seen that. We've seen Bitcoin pump right here. This is the Bitcoin chart. We've seen from here to here in the last 17 days, Bitcoin go up roughly 43%. By the way, that is my trading indicator right there down at that lower left that gave that buy alert. Perfect time to buy Bitcoin. Okay, we've seen links in the description below if you want to check it out. And so we've seen the flow of capital. Okay, but now kind of switching like, okay, that sounds interesting, Austin, but now what? Well, then the capital, then the money, literally the asset, the capital kind of moves out of Bitcoin, and then a certain percentage of that capital, that money would move out of Bitcoin, move into Ethereum. All right, well, let's see. Let's take a look at that. Ethereum has moved up dramatically right there. It's up 3%. And on the 7-day, 1 month, you got 35% in the last month. So the capital has also been moving in to Ethereum. Okay. That's not the end of the story. The next phase of that cycle is where we start to see money then move into kind of the OG, the old school blue chip, other altcoins, other cryptos. And the easiest way to show that to you is to look at this on a 7-day percentage. And this is so what it does at CoinMarketCap, it resorts the top 100, but then it resorts them as showing on a 7-day the biggest percentage gainers in the top 100. Now look at this: Stellar XLM, HBAR up 77%, Mantra, Polkadot, old school, Algorand, VeChain, Cosmos, Tezos, Cardano, Polygon. You got Radium, Quant, Arbitrum right here. XRP up 26%. Look at these percentage moves up. So the capital literally does that. It flows from Bitcoin to Ethereum to altcoins. And then I would venture to add one more category. And there's definitely some crypto purists out there that would disagree with this. But I think meme coins is the fourth component of that capital, that money flow. Okay. Because meme coins now is right here, $121 billion market cap. That it is the biggest sector of crypto. If you're looking at a sector, versus like AI, gaming, RWA, all that kind of stuff, it's the biggest sector out there. Okay. And so because a certain percentage of people put money in Bitcoin, then they'll put some in Ethereum, then they'll put it in altcoins. And then there's also a large percentage of people that won't ever go buy Bitcoin, although in my opinion, they should, right? But they'll just buy meme coins. And that's just the nature of human nature in this scenario. So it is all coming true where we start to see the capital flow. Remember, all against that backdrop of that 4-year cycle that we see Bitcoin, and crypto play out. Now, here's some interesting factors. Here's what I want to leave you this note. The X factor in everything I just said is that 4-year cycle has of Bitcoin and crypto doing that every 4 years. It goes up, drops down, up, and all that kind of stuff. The biggest X factor that we have right now is what's not included in that 4-year cycle is Trump with a pro-crypto presidency, a pro-crypto Senate, House. Add into that very, very serious and significant conversations talking about adding Bitcoin to the strategic reserve. initiative, if that happens, all bets are off in a positive way, because that's going to instantly legitimize crypto in so many people's eyes. Now, crypto is already legitimate. I'm talking about people who are not normally into this and all that kind of stuff, right? It's going to change the dynamic. It could extend that 4-year cycle. Instead of October of 2025 being the top of the crypto market, and we start to see kind of crypto move back down after that in that 4-year cycle, it could extend that. It could change that. It could change the game forever. Just that strategic reserve initiative as it relates to Bitcoin, because all of that is coupled with the fact that there is trillions and trillions and trillions of dollars, institutional money locked up in the in the Fidelities and the Schwabs and the Morgans and all that, where those people will eventually, those financial advisors will go to their top clients and go, hey, you ought to take 2%, 3%, 4% of your total asset portfolios and then allocate it to a Bitcoin ETF or whatever it is, or another crypto product that we happen to have for you, Mr. Client, right? All that's going to play out. You watch, you mark my words. It is going to happen. It's already happening. Okay. And you've got regular people, mainstream people who have never, ever, ever, ever considered investing in crypto that are now starting to go, there's something to this. Okay. So all this is about to just completely change forever. It is going to be insane in a positive way. Okay. So that's really what I wanted to say on that front. Hey, before I let you go, I talk about this in every video. My trading indicator, if you're interested, it works. I've got people using it from grandmas, grandpas, to teenagers. It is easy to use. Look, I want to show you some examples. This is XLM. Look at this buy alert all the way to that. 500% move up. 500%. To give you some perspective on that buy alert, if you would have had the software and alert triggers on your phone right there, right? If you would have had it 18 days ago, bought $1,000 of XLM, you would have already made a profit of $5,015. You get your $1,000 back plus $5,000 in profit. Bitcoin, I already showed you that one 17 days ago. There was a buy alert right there. That's a sell alert, that red one. We've not seen a sell alert yet, so up 42%. $1,000 bought there is $429 in profit. XRP, buy alert right there to that. 17 days, 203%. That's $2,000 profit on a $1,000 buy. Dogecoin, look at this one, a meme coin right there, the grandfather of all meme coins. 18 days, 189% up. The software tells you exactly when to buy and when to sell it. It makes crypto trading. It tells you when to buy and sell so that you can lock in those profits, so you can do some swing trades and make even more money, in addition to kind of a long-term buy and hold strategy, which I've talked about in many videos. So link in the description below. Go get it. So 30-day, no questions asked, money back refund guarantee. You got zero risk in this, zero. And if you are interested, there's a discount code down there, right there in the description, that you can use to make the software cost a little bit over $1 a day. So $1 a day to get maybe, I don't know, a 500% return on any crypto out there, and a buy and sell alerts to tell you exactly when to buy and when to sell so you can make that profit in the middle. It's probably worth $1 a day, don't you think? Yeah, I don't think that's a bad equation. Check it out. See you. Bye.